The deadliest part of a landfalling tropical system isn't the wind, it's actually the water. Fresh water and storm surge flooding account for more than 75% of hurricane and tropical storm-related deaths. During a flood, move to higher ground, but don't go to the attic as you could become trapped. If you have to, get on the roof and call 911. And of course, travel should be avoided. Finally, if you live in a coastal area prone to storm surge flooding and are asked to evacuate, make sure you heed those evacuation orders.